With the ongoing conflict in Ukraine, the world's neon supply has been dramatically affected. As Russia is on the offensive in the eastern region of Ukraine, the Donetsk Oblast region in particular has valuable assets that many manufacturers require. One of these assets is neon. It is extremely important in the production of microchips. Not many countries have the ability to produce neon, and as such, this means Ukraine produced about half of the world's supply before the war. Globalization benefits many countries, but when war or other disasters happen, then the supply lines can be easily affected. This is what happened in Ukraine over the last few months. Let's have a look at why neon gas is such an important element. This is Materials Lab, and today we will discuss how the Ukraine-Russia war affects the microchip industry. Neon gas is a critical part of the manufacturing of semiconductor chips. The lasers that produce these chips require neon. The two Ukrainian companies, Ingas and Cryon, produce between 45% and 54% of the world's semiconductor-grade neon. Global consumption for chip production reached about 595 tons last year. Neon gas was discovered in 1898 by two British scientists, Sir William Ramsay and Morris W. Travers. The name of the element comes from the Greek word novum or neos, which means new. And it has a melting point of -415 degrees Fahrenheit. The boiling point of neon is -410.94 degrees Fahrenheit. Ingas, based in Mariupol, has been producing 529,720 to 706,293 cubic feet of neon per month before the war. Cryon from Odessa had been producing roughly 353,147 to 529,720 cubic feet per month. Neon is used to operate the lasers that turn silicon into the tiny circuits that make computers work. The function of neon is to control the exact wavelength of light emitted by the lasers. Although there are approximately 17.5 pints of neon gas in the average home in the USA, acquiring neon gas isn't easy. It is normally captured directly from the air, so manufacturing plants use specialized air separation technology to produce neon in a liquid form. As neon is only a small percentage of the total air, you require a lot of air to produce the neon the semiconductor industry needs. The reason Ukraine exports such vast amounts of neon is because they are also a major manufacturer of steel. Neon is a byproduct of steel manufacturing. The neon needs to be a more purified version, and they specialize in this. With that being said, Ukraine having such a hold on the market has opened the eyes of other countries to address this issue. Many countries are now trying to manufacture their own neon in order to keep the supply above water. When peace comes back to the region, Ukraine's companies may not have such a strong foothold in the neon industry and will possibly suffer as other countries have become more self-sufficient. Has neon shone a light on the risk of globalization?